Not all skincare trends are good for you. In fact, some of the biggest trends right now might actually be harming your skin. Today, we're exposing 5 skincare trends that do more harm than good. Let's dive in. Trend number 1: DIY skincare using harsh ingredients. DIY skincare can seem natural and safe, but harsh ingredients like lemon juice, baking soda, and even toothpaste can seriously damage your skin barrier. Stick to dermatologist approved products instead. Trend number 2: overexfoliation. Exfoliation is great, but too much of it can strip your skin's protective barrier, leading to sensitivity and breakouts. Limit exfoliation to 2 to 3 times a week for healthy, glowing skin. Trend number 3: skipping moisturizer for glass skin. Well, some people believe skipping moisturizer helps achieve glass skin, but dehydrated skin actually produces more oil and can look dull. A lightweight, hydrating moisturizer is the key. Trend number 4: using too many actives at once. Retinol, vitamin C, acids. Mixing too many active ingredients at once can overwhelm your skin and cause irritation. Introduce actives slowly and avoid layering too many at the same time. Trend number 5: sunscreen contouring. The trend of sunscreen contouring, applying SPF only to highlight areas, is a recipe for premature aging and sun damage. Always apply sunscreen evenly to protect your skin. Were you following any of these trends? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare truths. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.